Hello everyone, my name is Sashmishri and welcome to my channel Shashmi's World. So as all of you know, Valentine's Day is just around the corner. So I have created this look for Valentine's Day inspired from shades of rose. If you want to look gorgeous and beautiful on your Valentine's Day party or event, hopefully this video will help you in doing so, and watch till the end because I have put out some tips and tricks throughout the video. So if you want to know all those, then keep on watching. So let's get started on how to create this look. So for this look, I'll start with my eye makeup first. For that, first I'll carve out my eyebrows using this Chelsea Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. And let's get started. I'll take a spoolie brush and I'll just run through to remove any excess product. Once our eyebrow is all set and done, then I'll be taking a very lighter concealer and I'll carve out my eyebrow area, priming my eyelid. Using this LA Pro Girl concealer, I have primed my eyes. I'll be priming this eye now. Just I'll press the concealer with my finger. You can use eyelid primer. If you don't have, then use a concealer. Using of concealer on the upper eyelid cancels out the darkness, and when we apply a shade, it brings out the vibrancy of the color. So after priming my eyes with the concealer, I'll take a powder and then set so that it doesn't crease. I'll take this lighter shade from this palette and I'll apply it all over my lid. For that I'll be using this Wet n Wild fluffy brush. Take the shade, tap off the excess, and then this will ensure that the concealer doesn't crease, and when we are doing the eyeshadow, there's no creasing of any color on the eyelid. So for today's look, I'll be taking this Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Wild Thought. I'll use my finger and put it on my eye. I'll take this brush. This is e.l.f. blending eye brush, and we'll go back to the palette. I'll pick this color Clove and start blending out. Taking a clean blending brush, I'll start blending. Now I'll build up the color so that it looks like a rose petal. For that, we will take this color Rose. Taking that blending brush with no color in it, I'll start blending it all again. Blend it upwards. Now taking this color Poppy on this small blending brush, I I will deepen the corner still more. So now what I'll do is taking this concealer, look up so that it will mark the crease for you. You don't have to do that. Doing the same stuff on the other eye. We'll move on to the brush. Now I'll take a lighter shade, this Stilla in Kitten, and I'll apply it in that area. Taking this midi round brush, I will blend the edge of the Stilla shadow. Clean up any excess powder that may have fallen. For primer, today I'll be using this Smashbox Photo Finish Super Light Smooth and Blur Primer. It looks like a moisturizing primer. Feels moisturizing also. Applying on the center of my face and then taking it outwards. After that, I'll be taking my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC35. Don't forget your ear and your neck. This is the Luxie round top blender. I'll start blending the foundation. You can definitely use a sponge for applying your foundation. I like using a brush. And when using a brush, always blend your foundation in the downward direction. You can obviously build up your foundation if you want more coverage. Don't forget to blend foundation on your ears. For concealer, today I'll be using this LA Pro Girl concealer. I'll make a V under my eye. And for the smile line, you can see I have smile line. What I'll do is I'll blow up air like this. Taking a brush, I'll start blending the concealer. And while choosing a concealer, always remember, if you have dark circles like mine, that is humongous dark circles, then don't apply a highlighting concealer. Always choose a concealer that is your own shade or a shade darker with peach undertone or orange undertone, so that it cancels out the darkness under your eye. So for people who have smile line and always fear that foundation rubs up first on their face from there, what you can do is puff off your face by blowing air like this. I am sure it looked a lot more funnier when I was doing that, but that method ensures that there's less creasing of foundation and rubbing off of foundation from that area, because we smile a lot. That's how we are. Oh yeah, I took this loose powder, Fit Me loose powder in the shade Light, and I'll be applying it to the places where I have applied my concealer. That's on my smile line, on the under eye area. Applying loose powder or any kind of powder after putting on the concealer ensures that there's no creasing. I'm putting a little extra on my under eye because since I don't use a highlighting concealer, putting a little extra powder ensures that it brightens up the under eye area and my face looks well lit and highlighted. Now we will move back to our eyeshadow palette, and taking this Alama flat shader brush, what I'll do is I'll use this two shadow, Rose and Poppy. First taking the Poppy, tapping off the excess, I'll start applying to the outer edge of my eye. Then taking the rose shadow, I'll apply it to the inner corner. Now I'll take this same brush which I used for applying my foundation, and the powder which I'd applied, I'll put it all across my face, the same powder, cleaning up and then using it all around my face. I'll lightly bronze off my face to bring back some color on the face. I'll use this highlighting and bronzer palette from Physician Formula. Taking this bronzer shade, now it's time to apply a blush. I'll be using this Note blush in the shade Desert Rose. This beautiful color. I'll apply it in a flat brush. It's very pigmented, so I'll dust off the excess. I'll smile like this and apply it. And then taking this foundation blending brush, I'll blend it in the upward direction towards my hairline where I've already applied the bronzer. After blending that, now it's time for the highlighter. I'll be using my Master Chrome Maybelline highlighter in shade Molten Gold. I'll take a highlighter brush, tap off the excess and apply it on the higher cheeks of my face. That's my cheekbone, my bridge of the nose, on this area that's brow bone, and tip of my lip. Now taking MAC Fix Plus, I'll just spritz it all throughout my face. Now we'll finish up our makeup by applying some eyeliner, some eye pencil and lipstick. For eyeliner, I'll be using this Faces Long Wear Eye Pencil in black. I'll apply it on my lower waterline and upper lash line. I'll tightline my eye using the same pencil. For mascara, today I'll be using this Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. This mascara makes the lashes looks like you're wearing falsies. So let's see. I'll apply the same mascara to my lower lash. This is with one coat of mascara in one eye, and the other one looks like this with no mascara. See the huge difference? I'll do the same thing with the other eye. For eyeliner, today I'll be using this Lakme 925 eyeliner. For people who are not comfortable in making wing or anything with a sharp edge, put it straight with your lower line, and then make a wing. Draw a line, do the same thing to the other one, like this. Then you can join it with your lash line. We'll finish up our makeup by applying the lipstick. For lipstick today I'll be using this matte lipstick in the shade Diva. So the eye makeup is totally inspired by the shade of Rose, and for lipstick I'll be taking something dark and chocolatey. So I'll be using this shade today. You can obviously line up your lip before applying the lipstick. I just simply apply the lipstick. So this is the finished look after applying lipstick, and hope you all like this look. If you want to use this same look for any party or any events, then you can tone down the eyeshadows. You can just use the base eyeshadow and another on the crease. You don't need to use 3 or 4 shadows to make this gradient. You can tone it down easily or tone it up if you want more eyeshadow gradient look. See, makeup is all about your own choices and colors which you choose. So it's up to you. If you are comfortable in flaunting more deeper color, then go for it. If you are not comfortable, then you can just tone it down. At the end of the day, it's just makeup. You can, if anything goes wrong, you can just wipe it out. So I hope you enjoy this video, and we'll try to recreate this look. If you do so, then don't forget to post your pics on Instagram and tag me. I'll provide my Instagram ID on the description box below. Hope to see you all soon in my upcoming videos, and till then, bye!